Hey Uber drivers! Protect the value of your vehicle's interior with FH Group's stylishly designed, custom-fit seat covers and floor liners, precision cut to meet your vehicle needs. Your passengers will ride in class and comfort with the sophisticated look and lavish feel of these high-quality seat covers. The innovative design allows for the use of all your vehicle's seat controls and is engineered to withstand heavy use day in and day out. They are waterproof, long-lasting, and impeccably constructed with thick foam padding. Offered in both soft and stretchy neoprene fabric and luxe faux leather, these custom seat covers and liners will protect the original upholstery, floors, and trunk space all season long. Provide ultimate comfort for your passengers and expect full interior coverage and protection front to back with your newly installed custom fit seat covers and floor liners available in your choice of vibrant shades for a dynamic combination.